Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the document. Place the cursor where the reference number should appear, and make sure the item you'll reference uses a consistent style like heading 1. Once done, enable Show/Hide to confirm anchors and line breaks, because Word links fields to exact positions. You do this to avoid broken links when text moves. Now go to the References tab, that's where numbering and cross-references live, and get ready to insert the first numbered marker. You insert the actual reference by using Insert Caption for figures or Cross-Reference for text references. Choose the appropriate label and numbering format so items stay consistent. Make sure you select the entire label plus number when inserting, because cross-reference inserts a field that updates automatically. If you need custom sequences, use SEQ fields manually. This gives precise control over numbering scope. Once inserted, preview how the numbers change when you finish by updating fields. Press Ctrl plus a then F9 to refresh all cross-references and captions, ensuring numbering matches the current document. If numbers are incorrect, toggle field codes with Alt plus F9 to inspect the SEQ or REF fields and correct labels or anchors. This reveals why a reference points elsewhere. Make sure to lock fields only when final. Use Ctrl plus F11, and unlock with Ctrl plus Shift plus F11 if you must edit. One tip: save a copy before large renumbers to revert quickly if something breaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.